And the race is on. Power of Destiny, fast to begin, followed by Cut Terminus, Kidlat, Danori inside, Sani, Sebiyorum, Golden Boss, and number 3, Magalang, while face to face is the early trailer. Kidlat by a neck. In between runners is Cut Terminus, and on the outside, third is Power of Destiny. Golden Boss racing in fourth by about 2 lengths down on the inside is Magalang. Sani Sebiyorum is racing on the outside as they race the last 700. Cut Terminus by a neck by the rails. Kidlat. Power of Destiny is racing in third by about 2 lengths. And rounding the far turn, Cut Terminus is still by a neck, followed by Kidlat down on the inside. Power of Destiny, Golden Boss, racing on the outside, taking the third spot as they race the final corner. Cut Terminus, this time by half a length, and Kidlat down on the inside. Golden Boss on the further outside. Power of Destiny, and nearing the finish line, Cut Terminus by about 2 lengths. Golden Boss opted to run down on the inside, and nearing the finish line, the Icebreaker, entry number 2, Cut Terminus. Golden Boss, Power of Destiny, Kidlat, Sani Sebiyorum, face to face, and number 3, Magalang comes last.